Are mini PCs about to replace your full desktop in 2026? In this video, we're diving into the top 4 most powerful AI mini PCs that are redefining performance in a tiny size. From insane Ryzen AI processors to desktop-level gaming power, these machines are not just compact. They're absolute powerhouses. Whether you're into AI tools, content creation, or high-end gaming, these mini PCs can handle it all. But here's the real question. Which one is actually worth your money? And which one should you avoid? Let's find out. And as always, the links to all products are in the description, updated with the best prices, so make sure you use them. Number 1, GEEKOM 9 Max AI Mini PC, compact powerhouse for creators and AI. Ryzen AI 9 HX370 with XDNA2 NPU, up to 80 TOPS total. Radeon 890M graphics, Windows 11 Pro, Copilot Plus ready, AI acceleration for local workflows, run LLM Studio or Ollama chats, generate images in stable diffusion, and batch enhance with Topaz AI, all on device, no cloud required. Radeon 890M handles smooth desktop, 8K playback, and light 1080p Sega AAA gaming with FSR balanced. Drive up to 4 displays for serious multitasking, stacked I/O, dual USB 440 gigabit, dual HDMI 2.1, dual 2.5 GBE, Wi-Fi 7 and BT 5.4 plus SD 4.0 card reader, memory and storage headroom, 32 gig DDR5 installed, user upgradable to 128 gig, and dual PCIe Gen 4 NVMe slots, M.228.0 plus 2330. Cooled for quiet performance, Ice Blast 2.0 copper heatsink, heat pipes, and a tuned fan keep clocks steady under AI and render loads. Ideal for creators, tinkerers, and home labs. Run 4-screen workflows, prompt LLMs, generate art, edit photos, and manage VMS on a tiny, travel-ready box. Street price, $1,589. Specs to know, Ryzen A i9 HX370, up to 80 TOPS total, with XDNA2 NPU, Radeon 890M, dual USB 4, dual 2.5 GBE, Windows 11 Pro, Copilot Plus ready. Bottom line, compact upgradable DDR5, stacked I/O, and strong on device AI acceleration. An easy, desk-friendly way to run modern AI and everyday creation. Number 2, GMKtec EVOX2 with Ryzen AI Max Plus 395, a brute force mini rig. 16 Zen 5 cores and 32 threads, boost up to 5.1 GHz, and a massive integrated GPU with 40 RDNA 3.5 compute units. XDNA2 NPU delivers roughly 50 plus TOPS. Triple RGB cooling fans keep the clocks high. Memory and I/O that feed the iGPU, 64 GB LPDDR5X at 8000 MT per second, 8-channel bandwidth, plus a 2 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. Quad display out via HDMI 2.1, DP 1.4, and dual USB 4, 2.5 GBE Wi-Fi 7, and BT 5.4 on board. Real-world use. FHD max settings, AAA gaming with an on-screen FPS overlay while driving multiple high-res displays. For AI, run larger local models, think DeepSeek 32B in shared VRAM space using fast system memory, with LM Studio sessions responsive and smooth, cooling and stability, 3 high-flow fans and directed airflow sustain boosts near 5.1 GHz under heavy CPU, GPU, and NPU loads, no thermal sag during long gaming or model inference runs. Creator and desk setups, hook up 4 screens, mix 8K and 4K via HDMI 2.1, DP 1.4, and dual USB 4. The 2 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD gives fast project loads and game libraries with room to spare. External USB-C power options and compact chassis make it easy to slot under a monitor arm or in a media shelf, quiet enough for home offices and light studio work. Who it's for? Power users, who want maximum integrated GPU muscle and AI headroom, gamers, creators and tinkerers juggling streams, edits, and local models all at once. Street price, $1,999.99. Bottom line, the fastest memory and a heavyweight integrated GPU make EVOX2 a tiny powerhouse, best for users who want one box for FHD max settings gaming, extreme multitasking, and bigger local models. Number 3. MINISFORUM AI-X1 Pro 370, a compact AI mini PC for creators and office pros. Ryzen AI9 HX370, up to 5.1 GHz with Radeon 890M delivers quiet, responsive performance for daily edits and multitasking. Ports and expansion dual USB 4. OCU link for external GPU, dual 2.5 GBE, plus Wi-Fi 7 and BT 5.4 for modern wireless. Memory and storage, 32 GB DDR5 and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD pre-installed, expandable to 3 PCIe 4.0 drives for big projects. Creator workflow, attach an eGPU via OCU link for heavier timelines or 3D, while USB 4 handles high-speed docks and multiple displays. Thermals and acoustics. Independent fans for CPU and SSD keep temps in check around 65 watts max, staying whisper quiet under sustained load. AI conveniences, fingerprint unlock, a co-pilot button, recall-style features, and live subtitle translation during video calls. Who it's for? Creators and office pros who want AI assist, quiet operation, and optional external GPU headroom for future growth. Price, $1,179. Bottom line, balanced AI and creator features with serious expansion. Small box, big upgrade path. Number 4. MINISFORUM UM880 Plus, compact mini PC with serious specs. Clean triple display setup, USB 4 for fast I/O, and modern ports for creators and students. Ports check, USB 4 for high-speed docks, HDMI 2.1, and DP 1.4. Run 3 displays without breaking a sweat. Under the hood, Ryzen 78845HS, 8 cores, 16 threads, up to 5.1 GHz, with Radeon 780M graphics, ships with 32 gigs of DDR5 and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, easy upgrades, memory up to 96 GB, plus dual M.2 PCIe 4.0 slots, up to 4 TB each for roomy projects. Big rig path. The OCU link port lets you attach an external GPU later. Game lightly now on 780M, then scale up with an eGPU for serious frames. Connectivity essentials, 2.5 GLAN, and plenty of USB-A ports for peripherals and fast networking. Use it for school, light creative work, home labs, or budget-friendly AI experiments. Street price, $735. Triple displays boost productivity. Code, notes, and preview, up at once, with silent, efficient performance. Radeon 780M handles everyday gaming and media smoothly. Great for casual titles and emulation. Bottom line, superb value, mini PC today. Add an eGPU via OCU link later for big performance gains.